Hey guys, it's Hannah here and I just got my February Little Bits box from Mommy Lhey, including also my Patreon goodies since I am a patron over there, and I'm so excited because the Patreon stuff is always a surprise, but I feel like I can't even remember all the things that are in the February Little Bits box either, because I'm so set on the March Little Bits box right now because it's gonna be amazing. I can't wait to get that one, but I know I'm gonna love this one too because it has a bunch of super cute pets, like cats and dogs, and if you know my other channel, LPS Hannah, you know that I love cute pets. So let's just get it open so I can finally see it. Okay, so let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first there's a card here. Okay, so this is the card included with it. This is like a B6 size. That's new, but look at that. Super cute little cats with balloons and they have faces. One Happy Mail at a time. It's, I guess, a little bit Happy Mail themed, which is really cute. That's new. And I believe this is the Patreon goodies. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh, is that like a... Oh wow! It's like a little badge. Oh wow, and it's of Mommy Lhey's like Harry Potter crew. That is so cute. I think she has this as a washi and as a kit. So it's like the little Harry Potter characters, but as like animals that she drew. That's adorable. And something that's really awesome with the, I believe at least with the Patreon stuff, is that it's actually printed like by Lhey, in her office, I think, because usually the Little Bits box is like manufactured you know, somewhere else, but that's not the case with the Patreon stuff, so it feels really special and, you know, especially handmade. So first there's this super cute die cut. It actually shimmers. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like printed on shimmer paper. That is so cute. I love that. Okay, I'm gonna just put it to the side. And then we also have a little coffee cup that also shimmers, I think. Oh no, this one is regular, I think. But it's like really nice cardstock, really thick. Oh, you barely see it. It's super cute though. Oh my gosh, it's like a little bookmark. And this one does shimmer. Oh, that is so pretty. I love this girl. I think this might be a preview for the March kit because I feel like this artwork reminds me of that. I love it, so cute. And then we have stickers with this awesome premium matte paper that Lhey has. I love it. It's a bunch of little girls and some stars. And then we have these awesome full boxes. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, and I just love this paper so much. I love these. That's so gorgeous. I love these colors and the theme. This, I think, is the same color scheme as this Little Bits box, so you will see more of that. Ooh, oh, it's like a, this is printed on photo paper. It's like a, I think it's a B6 like dashboard. That is so cute. And this little bee character I love. Oh my gosh, I have to put this in my spring setup. So perfect. And there's this dashboard too with Blossom. I love this so much, also on photo paper. Thank you so much, Lhey. I love all of this so much. So cute. It definitely is worth being a patron. So definitely check that out. I can also try to link it in the description. So I'm gonna keep this one here and put the Patreon stuff away since they're not part of the actual box. So let's get into the rest. Okay, wow, this packaging though is so pretty. Look at this bag. That is like totally custom made and so pretty. And it's on both sides. Oh my gosh, you can like cut this up and paint on it or like draw. That is so awesome, so creative. Okay, so I'm gonna take the bigger stuff last just because it's more fun that way and take all the stuff in here first. So let's get it all out. Woo! Oh my gosh, okay. Whoa! Okay, so this is new. Oh, I forgot about this. I think I thought this was like a photo prop in the pictures, but it's actually included in the box. So for the first time in forever, we get sequins. And these are super cute, like iridescent hearts in different colors. Super cute. And it's in this really good container too, so it's easy to handle. Oh, that's amazing. I don't know what I do with the sequins, but I do love them. Super cute. I love the colors too, of course. There's the washi here. Oh, I have to get this one open because I want to see what it looks like. So it's silver foiling. It has some script like need a hug and sending love your way. You are special to me. You are perfect or perfect. And it's just all the kitties and puppies. They are so adorable, and also like with the happy mail. Adorable on a light purple background. Super cute. I love these so much. I love cute pets. I wish there was more of that. I want to have it like all the time because I love it so much. Okay, so we have the die cuts. Oh, actually we have the pen first. I can take that. Oh wow. Okay, so this is a white barrel pen. And it has like a mixture of crystals here. As you can see, there's some yellow, some green, and some pink. Maybe some orange too. Super cute. And there's this little dangly thing. You know, the last couple of pens have had that. And gold. I love gold, as you know. Okay, so I see a lot of stuff. I just want to dig into everything. But I'm going to take one thing at a time. Let's go with the die cuts. Okay, so wow, and these are foiled. Okay, that's so awesome. So here we have, I love these. They're just so cute. Actually, you know, I think I might do this. I might put this so I can put the die cuts I already showed on there. So yeah, this one we saw. This one is so cute. It's like a little label you can put on something. And we have another one. And this little, this little pup in a box. That's so cute. And then a little kitty with the balloons. Just a note, a little tag, and it's gorgeous hollow foiling. So awesome. Sending love your way with the florals. I love those. It's a little paw. Some tabs. Monthly. And notes. Today, this is perfect. Let's see how many tabs we have. There's gonna be more. This one says be happy. My heart. And here's some more little pets. Oh, this is so cute. BFF. I love the font. It fits so well with this kind of whimsical theme. Love and the colors, the pastels. I love this little stamp. Another little stamp. And another little stamp. And another one. This is so cute. Another little Happy Mail pup. And there's another stamp. Another one. These are so cute though. Stay happy always. It's the little things. Here's like you can put or write something in there. And then here's a little kitty carrying mail. Package sent via airmail. And then Happy Mail. So cute, a Happy Mail truck. You see the little kitty in the truck? That's adorable. I love these so much. Gosh. I was so excited for this kit, and I still am. I'm so excited for the March kit too, and I feel like I will be able to mix the two pretty well. At least I hope so, because I love mixing kits, as you know. This is the Charm of the Month, and it's a rubbery one, or whatever they're called. And this is a cute little puppy with a Happy Mail. So adorable. I love this one. So cute. And we also have a rubbery paperclip. I love this one too. It is of the kitty with a Happy Mail. Oh, it's a lot bigger than I thought, actually. But it's a mint kitty with some Happy Mail. Oh, I love this one. This is so cute. Oh, I love these style paper clips too. I say that all the time, but I'm so happy to have it. And then we have the sticky notes, which are adorable. You see that? Oh my gosh, I have to get it open to see. So it is hollow foiled, and it's a little kitty, a little gray kitty. You see the cheeks are hearts. That's adorable. And it says write it down, and it's like a sticky notepad. I love these so much. Oh, I love cats. I'm a total cat person, in case you didn't know. But the puppies are adorable too. And here's the stamp set, which are super cute too. Oh my gosh. Oh, and oh wow, this is a thick insert. So this is the insert for the planner. And wow, I feel like it's more pages than usual. Or are they paper sticker? Hard to tell. But that's really pretty cover with the ombre. Okay, so here we have, oh, there's clear stickers this month too. That's awesome. Look at those. These are so cute. I love the florals. They're so pretty. And there's hollow foiling. Oh, that's awesome. I love these. Oh my gosh, I do. I love these so much. Then we have the actual sticker kit. I'm so excited for this too. Let's see. Okay, so here's the backing, and here's the first sheet with a bunch of deco. Here's days of the week and dates, and some like icons you can use for checklists. And we have the stamps for little deco. We have circular icons. We have more days of the week and dates. We have some, I don't know, more like decorative stuff. 4 boxes and some like washi strips almost, and deco stars. Some more kind of washi strips. I love the scallops. You can see it's actually like actual scallops. So you could put that and layer with something. That would be really cute. Actually, these are not washi strips. These are separate stickers. Sorry. So cute. Ah, I love these so much. Adorable. And the pouch is absolutely adorable too. Look at this. That's amazing. Let's see here if I can get it open. Actually, I don't really need to right now because you can actually see it anyway. But it has the hearts and it's a shaker and it's pink zipper. Super cute. I love it. Okay, so then get out what is in the big box. The rest of the things, which are the TN. This is another B6 clear TN. But Lhey is mixing it up for next month. Oh my gosh, next month. Oh, sorry, this one. Oh. The next, like the March kit is gonna be amazing. This is so cute though. It's actually, I think the clear is not really clear. It's actually light pink. And we have the stamps and the pup and the kitty and the stamp and the balloons and the clouds. Super cute as always. And then we have, as always, we also have the B6 dashboards. Clear ones you can put. I love those. And the papers. So here is the first paper. We have the kitty and the stamps and the balloons. Then we have this kind of ombre dots. Gorgeous floral. And this, also the ombre, this is the same as the insert was. And we have this kitty with the balloons. Oh, this is so pretty. These colors, stripes. And we also have the acetate and vellum. So let's see. Okay, so here's the acetate. I'm gonna take this paper to layer so you can see a bit better. We have the kitty and the pup. You are perfect, it says. And it's just adorable. I love this one. And we also have the vellum, which is also foiled, as you can see. And that's the pup in the mail or the box with the flowers. Gorgeous. Love this one too. I love the colors. They're so springy and it's perfect because I'm actually about to set up my spring planner, which I'm so excited for. Alright guys, so that was everything for the February 2019 Little Bits box. I love it so much. All these colors are so light and pastel and they make me so happy. I can't wait to start using all this stuff. I just have to figure out which planner and how I'm gonna use everything, but either way, I love it so much. And like I said, I will link to the Lhey website and where you can subscribe or buy a single time box if you want to. And I will also link to Lhey's Patreon so that you can find more information about that as well. But either way, now I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I also hope to see you next time. Bye for now!